No fees, fast and secure. No fees. No fees, fast and secure. No fees, fast and secure. Hey, mommy, the pouch what they're saying.
Thanks for this. Oh, Abba.
That's it. Get the best exchange rate, fast and secure. Excellent customer service. Plus, free life insurance, but Ghana only. Traveling back home? Don't need to take your cash anymore. Use PayAngel, free international money transfer.
PayAngel, it's safe, fast, and secure.
Hi, hello, good evening, good afternoon to you if you are watching us from the States. Now, I'll share you from Australia, and so dear, I don't know Australia by this time. Time saying Dubai for the minimum time, but it's all well and good. All the answers to your legal questions. Abinel, this platform. So it's with Abinel Solicitors, your number one law firm. UK has say. Womo share emremu nsem no mo ka emani CPC excellent results no mo de bro timely intervention no mo de bro abribia no womo jimre emo mo ne metwetwen komo ebre education. Now most importantly no womo jimre eba platforms TikTok. Now it's on Facebook and YouTube. Now one more questions until will be a chair as far as the law is concerned. I know that presently amount for be no more questions for COS soon, more questions for indefinite leave to remain, who student visas, entry clearance visas, amount for questions for family law, when you be Abinel Solicitors, edimo akotene ombedi wajinamu amabibia kama. So I'm very excited to bring to you another version, another edition of the show, Your Legal Answers, right here on Facebook and I think so on YouTube. So YouTuber, you are watching us on Hack TV channel. And Mami fa kwanya way so I mean find that subscribers in say all of you who have made it your friend is saying your desire, is that the right word? 1K subscribers for the first time. I see that's from and if you are watching and you have not subscribed to Hack TV and not follow us on Facebook and all the other platforms, please do so. Hit on the subscription button and then the notification bell. So anytime you are live, you get to also be a part of our community. It's a community of knowledge, a community of greatness. Now, me learned guest lawyer Mami Abnanya Kwapia ebe baskrin so na ya fiti yan komo twetwe ase mpacho ene se o hwe yan yentimi mfa phone calls to send ye no abribia no. We will not be able to pick live phone calls, but I would a number ebe twegu e wo screen so number ebe twegu e wo screen so nti long sa number e twegu e wo screen so ye lawyer number directly right after the show ubetimi na wafre no. Right, you or question be regarding and command you be there right after the show. Shronomano to her a chegu was screen no sis ya ubet me a free lawyer Mami Abna Nyakwapia na obejo so na no new weddings also. I mean I sure say show ye and you so a question idea what the idea Mr. Train na friend anopa between 9 and 6 she is very responsive. We'll make sure say obey Joe so na bibia aye kama pa. All right, mami fa lawyer and breast screen so na me mano akwaba. Lawyer, welcome. Pacho, what's it? Are you muted?
Sorry. Hello. Hi.
Okay, Pacho, be able to call dear.
Nyame adom bibia boko.
Thank you so much. All our viewers and everyone that was safe for your time. Every time you are right here, represent Abinel solicitors, bringing us some good education. And I think so amount for questions. We've had testimonials coming through as to how where the Ejnemu Abu amount for so heartwarming. So thank you so much. Yes. Now, quickly. Answer na yɛbɛkɔ yɛn nkɔmmɔtwitwi so for ɛnnɛ no. I know say Abinel solicitors more London has say the form more share ebi share from Africa, specifically Ghana and Ghana for more around Africa. Ebi wɔ Dubai, ebi wɔ Europe, ebi wɔ Canada, US. Can be share yɛn ɛfa Abinel solicitors so na yɛn fiti dwumadi n'ase.
Okay, made in Chabe Bro Biauti or Share, wherever you're tuned in from. Abinel's listers, yeah, it's your quine, Behunye, Ever London, Stratford, address 14 Clipper Road, E15 2RJ. FM bia your empathy, the I am share and name of paper with Juma. Sometimes it's a client's my lawyer crime for now. I did not check on your updates also on your own from chase your Debbie. That's been us listers no dealing with our clients in a very good and professional way. That's will not be complaints I've been here for a boy homeworking say you be to me. And no, I use you man. I figure excellent results I would desire no at the mom. And sanity. Me patrol your family law. Family law who says divorce, child arrangement orders, financial orders, and a I think so. Immigration, in-country applications, any entry clearance applications. Yeah, finally. Yeah. House of Law and also Juma. Encourage you be say on Friday now on the entire to be to me try what info at abinhouselessons.co.uk and so now you be juice.
Okay, yeah, that's it. And see, say, uni UK has a crana, just say, a bit me, yeah, the four bit me anymore in Sawoso. I quite be your friends or more, bit me contact him on more, bit me no more, bit me your more, basically.
The world has become a global village, and COVID in such how much we can do without having to meet face to face. And baby, I will be in London, say, for convenience sake, in travel and by East London, I'll be happy to say, be a correspondent over emails, over phone calls, over Zoom link, and to be able to consult with you and then do your work for you or outside the country, so that is okay. And also, entry clearance applications will be made for be do her more in person, and that is also very much possible. I may know in detail, baby. I will say from around the world. Once I will say, UK immigration law, which my dear, Abinus Lisses is a go-to firm. A bit me about. I'm a signing money now, so.
Okay. I'm really glad to hear that. And a pena many of the phobia kasa or Ghana na or she say no wa ha say na bibinti or akako di Ghana or ba ewa ha na yere so ewa ha na warinti na or she kwan ben no betimi afa so asan ya ba na am say oh eno dia beti ne tekra man nti ti wo yi situation bi sa na kra fake kra na obe application na ba into the country agent no yen susu kakra agent no ebi nom enhye da wo mo nka no kre ne nkyerɛw wo mo ebeyi ye nneɛma bi a wo ba betuka na ahokyerɛ buruburo wo mo aba no wo mfrɛ wo no bisa wo mo enti misrɛw eye better say lawyer ebeye wadwuma at the end of the day you spend less. You spend way less than you would have paid an agent, and then you may not even get the full results. It would look like at that time somehow the right result, but you wouldn't get the full result. Okay, lawyer, and then me say yes, start it quickly. Enumerate some issue be over family laws so issue be on social media and me say me will legal advice and expertise no so we a branch here I may read it quickly or see or worrying you. So see, I married my wife in 2019, and I brought I bought my UK house 2 years before getting married to her. And Ochiro Pigin or City or near Obana Emma Obano onyem twins, so o decide say or the omo beba be kan ho e wo UK na neoma ye easy for mu nyina. Or see after 4 months oba no eba ye no ne namfufuo bi oba beto wo mo ni ade ne anyonkoboni ne nsem bi etutugu na so nti se die na si yo oba no e report so no say obono na osmoku e wo fie ho any ade oteatea nkola no che like only claim of abuse nti ama ono ani dan ya oto ye 220,000 pound house no ekotifo aba pam no afifie ho ama sisi no obi one room no renting na sa same way the ahye eye nyoma so person ye de mintimi enka ewo afie na the enti ami busa lawyer ne say na adofo a na wo commenting on this post, they were having an argument. They say, oh, UK law no aden oba 4 months so when you want me en report to keke say oh what report to enti yen hwehwemu bia ne aba be pam be man na ibi no so say the way I'm running city no so far as you claim of abuse and now the man has to be kicked out now yeah I'm see with the pam no mommy, let me ask a legal person, and I know you are versed in terms of family law enti asem no or comments on this issue.
Okay. Sanya asem not here no from the post no. Few things and I was say yes. Beman no sanya woka se oba ne se wabona na so obono tenti ankra no. Yeah, there is a responsibility to safeguard emofra I wofi. A duty of both parents to do that against the world, also against each other. And if one parent is becoming again abusive towards a kid, one parent you have to safeguard them and protect them from the other parents and protect them from other people in the world as well. If that was the case, which we will need more information for now. Yes, I'm many reports here because it can come to a point
Okay.
There has been an instance in the United States issue BSC and similar kaka or bano akofa onwaneba and bema no a stepfather reports allegedly Omabufrana and Kakan within the space of 3 weeks. Amabufrana media. Yeah, sentence you more to a minimum of 25 to life imprisonment. He said, "Ne papa no kwa na ebo na maame no ye nhwehwan na wanka eba yes nkra renam na wanka so that you na carry for o ka ho ye panyin na we tu for e ba ye mu nyina mo befra." That is one aspect of it. Again, eba bit now so na is there any evidence ne body who say baby a pie baby bu and I do we see that? Because of police, and if there's anything like that, I'll also be for ambulance so assess you and take the reports, blah blah blah. Send it here UK. And they say, whenever there's an abuse, a call has been made. Sometimes not even physical abuse, but a car abuse. Bo hasanya ne bo kosro na wudi di watam no timi say ebia e kwa anymore and satuo bi betimi amba. So at that point, now one party afraid police. Usually a man and a victims of abuse. Usually out of 4 in 10 years, it's not always the case, but most times a man and a victims of the abuse. Into in this case, it be a obana free police. Eba bema ni fie krampa for that night. Bema bema no every ho na aka emofra ene emma oba ewo because it's assumed say omudio omuhia more protection bema de sebi unyo bi couch to cry better no ba ne mofra anadu brass and see another time omode fa hen. And if any bema ni fie crying like in this situation na police for no ebema bema ne fie ho but bema ni fie no enye permanent issue. Send me a gentleman, you can say, "Hi, baby."
Yeah, we can for okay, right. Lawyer Koso, me shreo kakra, but
yes. Na make us say be a temporary solution na be a free her anadwi and a free her for a week whilst be a local council and so e de omo ho agi mo hwehwe baby ama oba ene emofra no because you fee especially enye fee aban de ama mo wan kasa fee a wato a wutua ho mortgage you too free her kra say na gentleman you say wakon baby na enye ye. I don't know why Amabasa in his situations on one agree to Mofrano and nay or bannings now. And yadia will be to me too safe because I will fear what in your name. And the more warrior, a cobasa divorce, you pay a financial order, now to church Japadin now or case or dinance or warrior ban. And the fact that auto property as our banner, it wouldn't really matter. If be matrimonial pots and anything more warrior assets gained before the marriage, any assets gained within the marriage need not fall within the matrimonial pot, except why you be your friend or prenup. Yes, sorry. Your friend a prenup shall agreement were in place. Would you protected the assets you had before the marriage? Then you will be protected. Even in the UK, to an extent, it's not so enforceable. You have to do it right. And yes, falling within the matrimonial pots next door. And I don't think that this gentleman were a prenup, which most people, most Africans, and it is a 1 year, fall within the matrimonial pot into upon divorce, yet a check Japadinima, a beckant the bechicha Hunayashe, or Banem or Fra. In the case of family law, I'm involved, no, always the best interest of the child or the children will be paramount in the court's decision or your decision be or Mofrano will lifestyle be. They don't want the divorce to reduce lifestyle no more. If or more at holiday once a year, now divorce, but they don't want them to change that. Private school divorce means your mom per affect your not public school debut. Lifestyle are maintaining from crown. They want to make sure that Sika teacher no more enough to be able to keep up with that lifestyle. So the best of interest of the children will be paramount in the course decision. And you see, yes, if I've covered everything, it's quite strange to also know to a baby. Ebiana, yes, any two now have so more muscasing or so any means many months nephew. There's more information I was saying to be able to digest the situation properly, but any option to sell or no into completely sir. Obviously in cinema can and that time incidents but for things to blow over for to cool over kakana the beman will be asked to leave whether you will fear or not to protect more enemy or urine.
Okay, lawyer, thanks for that perspective. I'm sure say at the first show, I mean, you are a UK qualified lawyer, so every Hobana we know say yes, this is what the law says, and then this is the context within which it needs to operate. You are watching your legal answers with Abinel Solicitors live within the Daniel Datson, me learned guest, Mami Abnanya Kwapia, and Menene Chuchin Komwe, Tisania Mekaya, and I ain't mean for live calls. And if there are comments, yes, so you with me, Eddie will comment any other Abba. And just let you know, say, and pre-recorded in T. We are not live, but it's a pre-recorded now. But we will come back to all your comments and questions on the show. Now you're picking up now for the imwaye abro. But ubetimi afre lawyer directly, possibly. But now, question be from this show, and also question be at all about the law, immigration, family, housing. Ubetimi afre na webusa. Normally, non kayebe family calls directly now where you are not, but there's still no so friend now can say, oh lawyer, na me show will Hack TV, na me show what Abinel Solicitors Facebook and na Daniel Kweku that's in Facebook page obejo so na question with him answer. Lawyer, quick one and yenche Juma baako ana asɛm baako mmienu bi na mepɛ sɛ me ne wo di ho nkɔmmɔ Let me say, doing this program with you over a period of time, a couple of weeks now, no, at the 4 Taiba you show so. Be busa questions. Na questions ni bi wo ho a say imra kwemu no enye sa na wo se etie, but ya akoye say ye community and I say amanfo dodo na ebia wo munim, but amanfo dodo na fi say oh sa na tie sa na ye no, you know, ebia obi betimi akosan ama akola no and I say obi di obi kan me ho say me mfa ne sen me yire na me mfa ne mbra, but ye bebusa no pete mu sa, and it sounds quite normal, like that is how it is, but imre no yes na sitie, you know. So inti me person o address that kakrama me na ebia finally no ya can in some you know, if you're coming to talk to your lawyer, what are some of the things that you should be talking to your lawyer about? Senebeya, your case can be handled properly.
Okay, and see, it's actually an issue. Well, I can speak for your Ghanaian community because na interacted the most. Na But many clients ekasa besides why also there be who dependent or say meaning the difference between the two. Dependent no ono ani mikunu. But we say mikunu nkasa ewo Ghana na mini dependent ne buy. Dependent no oya wode ya. Who marriage certificate. Actually say why who birth certificate actually say who ba. And in bisawa, that is how it should be. At the funny bit me for so men can't be but my loyalty and I make catch up. We understand he actually puts the lawyer in a position now to me wejuma. And he said I need to cease acting the moment I become privy of an information me who said the way no enye emma kwan so. And he says, "I come and tum so ma oye ne sa et said ye men so ma edi better wa ma show kutupa amwaya de bone e deceive home office for say when you kunampa enye oyerampa bibinti and no omo friend sham marriages and a marriage of convenience. Our area yet to gain immigration advantage is actually an offense. Say ye baby say sa and it's here in one way or the other, it's me to charge your crowd or apply for naturalization, and that is one of the things about records. So you will never be able to become British. And that if it's very hard to come out of it. But if in one way or the other, no, what to make coming out of it, maybe I was 10 years so every go away in Kakanga it could do the point or pass of naturalization, and that is actually not good character. I will record for Emma to me and so it goes beyond that. Adophobia everything prison and I know now may reference US and now will be a tip of some of why arranged marriages even the I think that in the back of Adophone clients for Ubia worker in the back of their mind, they know that it's wrong. You don't have to do that, they know. If you will say, what can you tell your lawyer? And now what should you tell your lawyer? In as much as we encourage you to tell the truth. I don't know why there's a misperception out there that I'm a lawyer, there was a mistake. Mind you, yeah, lawyers are what you can have. Officers of the court. We have been sworn into the high courts of England and Wales. And I can be working, I'm working as a solicitor now. Tomorrow I can be working in a court, another department here, there. I can be working on the prosecution side, I can be working on the defense side.
Okay.
So many places now, we are called officers of the courts. Clients, I'm already CV courts. Catching a summer any no cray. There be. Obua no business any lawyer or so fast one saying. Sebi. Me so fast one say. Make catcher will say, this Emran say anything. You kunu I and you here way. Here pictures to prove. Here communication. Here proof of address. Here way. What car some lecture me? Send ya mishia me kunu say. Na it be a men so brofo no mature polish. Kaka, I'm not going to make up the story for you. Sebi, you Bibisa also Michana Cramo, Unkomodian, Bibisa questions are a yet provoking a bema with Simiaka a lot. Into you probing questions. We are like journalists. You baby so if you say saying, could you be saying to the ma saying by the intina uja go on show. Now you be some now abuse involved. Now I call trigger, I call jogging the memories. I'm pack it be a saying and it's here and I say bibisa. So that is what we are there for, to ask you probing questions about jogging memory, about wow case, and more importantly, to put the case together properly in a way that will be accepted by the Home Office. In rules and requirements, will be able to tell us, when you're anywhere, I'm there, I'm farmer. And now, case in the same thing. Lawyers are not there in any way. It will be to be firm, and run. Lawyer, our just saying. Are you asking me about the Home Office fee, which I can tell you, it's not done, it's not supposed to be done, and I said, at the phone share na shannon. So that is how it is. We don't operate in that way. When you lawyer be unfortunately we are not able to do that. We don't do that. It's not allowed for us. Yeah, in particular, Abinals listers, we are setting ourselves apart. We are working in the ways that has been laid down. Say, I will say, yeah, to me and arrange marriage. Ubana baby Sammy say, no, we don't have those terms to cover anything. Right. I'm not even going to say a can with social media because over office have a can is the same so me papa what's Europe, what's Spain, what's how, what's ho, but the moment I become chairman, I'm not going to do your work. What's ha. I me want the pay slips, me want the bank statement, me dey back into the application, mommy. Because I don't want now because them say not me catch a lawyer and so on there no yeah into lawyer no. That means my obligations to you as a client and to the senior courts of England and Wales are me a member and as a staff of the national sense or more employ all of us. The fact that you work with one firm or the other doesn't matter. I'm my employer. So we have to be compliant with these laws, and that is how it is. If you are coming to us, especially as Abinals listers are, when you say no matter terminologies out there, yes, baby the prime we don't do that. Look at our birth certificates now the back. Lawyer, me bane ni pass messy or you're British, young crata mommy. I don't have any means of verifying there. Your ban and your Home Office does not request for DNA. To me, lawyer, I'm not going to request, but or the necessary documents, I can put the case together for you nicely, and then you get the desired results. And this now see it is my age mama, and without the knowledge of set and Tisano, I send be a bitch a Home Office for near question where meaning because I don't want to be a part of it because lawyer like a chairman, no. We don't arrange marriages. We don't give people's children to people. It can be a whole lot of issue in the future. I personally will not want to be involved in that. And then we encourage you to tell us the truth, but know the truth you are telling us. Tell us your truth. And then don't think that immigration officer is our same. I'm also an immigration officer. Right. The only difference a lawyer client privilege I work as listers. And into what that means is that you've put me in a position where I can't ask for you. However, confidentiality bounded by 7 code of law. The third one, confidentiality. I'm not supposed to tell the next party. Sometimes make us client be firm or be firm. I can speak about the cases in abstract. I'm not mentioning anyone's name. I'm not saying anything that will let you identify the person. But I can generally say, will be firm, a client be firm, and you will be doing. I'm not going to mention the person and show you the identity of the person. I mean, with you confidentiality, I don't have to leave files around for people to walk in and see that. So only person is seeing my clients, and I say, because legal issues are like medical issues. Nobody wants anybody to know. So my lawyer will be coded. So I'm not the one about to say. And see, the lawyer client privilege I as lawyers will prevent me from telling anyone, from even telling the Home Office, unless I am subject by the court. Court has shown me, and the Mabina Witness Board, Mama, which doesn't happen often. But unless you make it information, it have public security, any idea court me say you have to say it. And then the part they are for I'm not supposed to tell anybody what you have told me. It means me country be say, ebano or nebo, I mean to me, but me no me be some information now. And you say me would and
right.
Now, me down my go to the next person. Oh, count story no be there, and no onion so and also so that is the issue. It's about enumerating clients be show be and it's very important. And then we know how to present our cases to lawyers. And then yes, in a way, I be my to me.
Lawyer, me that say the adwumadi be be we yesima ba komienu bi. Na ma menka we say adofo dwumadia ye di nienti ehu hia ne say sometimes maybe I'll be fit say obi fa kwantia no de aboa ebia lawyer bia ko no or see obetimi ayi so fa kwantia ne de aboa ye wunim ni say onsa kwa akoshe nanum say onioma ya fe de afepo na de bia na ya TB go for by your life so we boost say me 60 days no expire but lawyer be so betimi extending na me mpacho efficacy for ma emre na expire okofa kwati kwan bi so na fe or extend the application bi just to buy time and no kra na tia efficacy mu mra say you are trying say uber buy time no other the efficacy for na nipa kro na koso wa ene ode buy time no de bia na okoso utua ndika because ene tia say enye yie enti kwan paso no afaso no cry woman no waka te se nye lawyer acheche mu no se nie untimi enka nkyere efficacy mu ni oti wani mu no untimi nka nkyere o lawyer enti yesrem anidie mu oba sani obesi aka wa asem oye wo yire oye me yire oye wo ba na lawyer achire okwan ya wo se ofaso na wadi na ma enti lawyer we die ene ye die ebesi na adofo mo tingia mpacho mesrem say lawyer number NHA screen so no met me abubo aye 44 from Ghana about 0745680467 call your hack to share what hack even so description side na the number ended 37 now our friend no na question be hobia no webusa no lawyer mpacho let me take a final word for today na
okay. Yeah, the education way back. Yeah, the bus say yeah the bad boy adofo. And you be a say you be me enya bibia ma yensa kwaya no, but more importantly, say yeah the bad boy Ghanaian community. The boy sometimes you feel comfortable going to one of your own. Sebi oba ebi kra brofono ano ede ma obekwe ni ho beka wonu musem nyina na wanti ase. There are actually some of the things I say can't Ghanaian customary marriage wasem. Any the issue of the divorce any lawyer ni want to say only in Indian culture ni say it's important so you can try a use Ghanaian lawyer oba obi timi akatwi a church nsem ni mu and chese oba be cancer ma intimi ma memoa wa odi me be position bi make actually say sa na tie dia mean me nye wadwuma ntina the education way by I hope so be am fan personally yeah boy so the pay be hu kwan ya be fa so it also trains us to be able to say the right thing and say be woni me bia wo kan sem bia adofo te say e anen to wa penifo ka seda so we be akodi ne nkomo wo baabi ama akoye nsem bebre. There was a place na me yejuma was even criminal law na ekoba asa omo chi omo phone so transcripts nkomo ni nyina na enko kan shi na fraud issue kesepa and so omo employ interpreters phone
conversation
because I know no more transact criminal activity no a tree to the court they need someone or be sign under hotel or be kind cry in some more canina now make sure I translate and since they would not phone so come on so who are come back who didn't come in here and the pie me fabas I'm saying come here would sister we be careful so men can limit because when you put to when him so Ghana ni ano nya Ghana ni when him so beto kasa na so kasa in na yen share ni yen cry
Mrafuni bi krati twi
hey emrofo ni bi twi ada me approach by obroni bi wo we can chew crutch also child they will come to University of Science or catch it say they make a tree if not better. Well, see, wouldn't baby, we education thing, and we'll be funny personally. At the end of the day, we want to help you, we want to help the Ghanaian community, and until you na to them, na ubi a winning, you be a winning, ubi a war back for near ding na intimate and extend the education. We share videos, then for more. I spend it time, it's here and then your mail also a celebrity about boom be Ghana, and your mail boy in Puntu, a share my for foreign, so your money here, I share, and there'll be access with here, cause be a war consultation with actual friend. My number nature good on I Indian common. Without just say.
Oh yeah, medawase say wa jimre na ye twetwe san komo we me say adofo a mo hwe videos no mo be share once again I want to thank you say mo de Hack TV drew 1K subscribers yen koso na yen subscribe click on the notification bell na ye call live bi ana ye post new video bi ani ade na unsa ka bi ye di other shows nso ebeba so sana enkomo any entertainment no ma e koso around all of them on the channel. Lawyer, have a wonderful day. In Tinyami Aduma, Yebeshia TikTok on Wednesdays. Na your legal answers live on TikTok also. Eddie Abre Adofo.
Thank you. That'll be us.
Okay. I was here for Madam say thanks for watching. Young Fred Lawyer live. The number in the Chegu. It was screen no sono Sansona. Abinel solicitors were London. One more numbers was screen no soon so no so timely intervention excellent results one more East London 14 Claypole Road and one more postcode no E15 to RJ now Fred ne book consultation na any lawyer and train come na mami you are situation be now around 10% discount on all on consultation fee up to the end of June. One consultation fee, in fact, it's one of the most reasonable in London. It's just £70. No, my son is to 10%. Mr. Okwa, but more than say Obekase, Daniel Datson live show. So now the code will then apply for you. O contract, I say, oh, she lawyer, Abna, and I say lawyer, Mami, na Bibia Akoso Amo. Nyami ensure Bibia, Sewashe, Nyami Adma, Yebesain. Have a wonderful evening.
No fees, fast and secure. No fees, fast and secure. No fees, fast and secure. Hey, mommy, we power to what being saying.
Thanks for this.
That's it. Get the best exchange rate, fast and secure. Excellent customer service. Plus, free life insurance, but Ghana only. Traveling back home? Don't need to take your cash anymore. Use PayAngel. Free international money transfer.
PayAngel, it's safe, fast, and secure.